Hey, what's up? Sami here. Today, let's take a look at the newly released Xiaomi Black Shark 2 Pro. Huge thanks to my content partners Xiaomi Tech and iPhone Tech. All links are in the description. Please check them out. Now, let's take a quick look at what's in the box. The first layer has this usual paperwork and a pretty solid case. The second layer is the phone itself. And finally, charger, Type-C cable, and a headphone jack to Type-C port connector. The charger supports 9V 3A 27W fast charge, same as Mi 9. Now move to the phone. Almost the same as its predecessor, the Pro still adopts glass and metal craftsmanship, looks unique. This logo on the back is flashing. The dual camera and the flash lie in the same position as Black Shark 2. The hand feel is awesome. The uneven back gives you a firm grip while you're gaming. The screen is the same as Black Shark 2. It's 19.5:9 ratio, 6.39-inch AMOLED screen, no notch or dropless notch. The forehead and chin also retain a certain amount of space, as you can see. At the same time, Black Shark placed two speakers separately on them just to ensure the sound won't be muffled while you're holding the phone to game. As for the AMOLED screen, the official says it's equipped with independent image processing chip and has intelligent motion compensation technology. Thus could improve the smoothness gaming experience significantly. It also supports 240Hz touch refresh rate. Whatever that it is, we're not just testing the real game. Well, I do feel the improvement, even in high-speed scenarios. You will feel no latency. But I do think the new processor Snapdragon 855 Plus contributes to the greater gaming experience too. As for the specs of the chipset, you can find on the Qualcomm's website. Here I'm not gonna illustrate more. Let's just run Antutu benchmark on it. It scores around 377K points, and in Geekbench 4, the single core score and the multi-core score are listed on the screen. It does improve a bit compared to the last generation. The Pro still features a multi-layered heat dissipation liquid cooling system. The phone did not get overly hot during gameplay. What amazes me most is the Magic Press touch pressure. Think of this like Apple's 3D Touch, where deeper presses can cause different actions, ideal for triggering different in-game functions that would usually require more finger taps. What's really interesting about Magic Press, however, is that left and right sides of the screen can be adjusted separately, while individual sensitivity adjustment can be custom set. How's that for ultra gaming geekery? Alright, that's it guys. That's a really simple unboxing and hands-on of the Black Shark 2 Pro. We mainly focus on the gaming experience, and again, the Pro hasn't let us down when comparing to the gameplay. I mean, if you are really into this kind of gaming phone, and this could be your choice for its excellent hardware performance that includes the unique liquid cooling system, also the special game focused optimized software. It is a solid game phone for sure. Of course, if you do want to know other aspects of the phone, just leave a comment below and I will test it. I'm Sami, see you next time.